In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a button to smoothly scroll visitors down your Squarespace page. First, open the Squarespace home menu and exit any current edits to prepare your home page for customization. Next, add a new block to your Hero section and choose the code block from the block picker. This allows you to insert custom HTML for scrolling functionality. Now resize the text box or code block if necessary, then copy your pre-written HTML code to use as the scrolling anchor. Open the code editor within Squarespace and paste or type your HTML, making sure to set a unique ID attribute for your target section. This ID is what your button will scroll to. Click the main heading or section where you want your button to appear, then ensure your HTML anchor is accurately placed in the content so the page scrolls to the right spot. You can further adjust the placement and size of the text or anchor blocks as needed, so your scroll destination is visible and well positioned. Then add a new block and select the button block. This is the button visitors will click to jump down the page. Customize your button's appearance, then set its link field to the ID you specified earlier, adding a hash symbol first. For example, hashtag welcome. Make sure the link type is set to URL, then exit the editor and save your changes. Finally, preview your site and click the button to check that it smoothly scrolls to your desired section. You now know how to create a scroll down button in Squarespace.